Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. How are you all? And I hope that you all are safe. So without wasting time, we start our topic. Now we will learn how to balance chemical equation. For balancing, we should write the chemical equation first. Let's take this example only. Mg plus O2, it forms MgO. Here LHS has Mg in LHS. Mg in LHS is 1. O in LHS 2. Mg in RHS is 1. Also O in RHS is 1. Now here Mg is equal in both LHS and RHS, but O is not equal in LHS and RHS. So we have to balance this chemical equation. So for balancing, we should write the chemical equation first. That is Mg plus O2. It gives us MgO. It has two atom and it has 1, so we have to make it 2 atom. So we will multiply this whole by 2. Then Mg will also become 2 and O will also become 2. O has balanced, but now Mg has not balanced, so multiply this also with 2. Now we will get a balanced chemical equation. Now write it with balanced. 2 Mg plus O2, it gives us 2 MgO. 2 MgO. Now this chemical equation has balanced. For balancing chemical equation, we use the formula, that is heat and trial method. Heat and trial method. But this method is very limited. This method do not able to balance big chemical equation. So today we will discuss about the other method by which we can able to balance all the chemical equation, either they are big or small. This method is known as principle of atom conservation. Let's first balance that equation to demonstrate it, how it is working. Mg plus O2, it gives us MgO. Now name here. Now write here A, here B, and here C. First for Mg in LHS. LHS we have only 1 Mg, so multiply this by this, we will get A, and in LHS there will no other Mg, so we'll write here equal to for this. So we will write here equal to, and we will get here there is also a Mg. So we will write here it has also it get multiplied with C, 1 get multiplies with C, so we will get A equal to C. Let's take this equation 1. Now for O, we have we will write here it get multiply with O is here. In LHS O is here, so it get multiply with 2. So B into 2 we get 2B and after this O there is no other O, so we will write here equal to in the place of this, so we will get 2B equal to, and for RHS we have O here, so we multiply C with O. O has 1, so C multiplies with 1, we get C. So write here C and take this equation second. Now let's take A equal to 1. In all cases we have to take A equal to 1. Then we will get C also equal to 1 from equation 1, from equation 1, and from equation 2 we have 2B equal to C. So C has come from 1 from above, so we write here 2B equal to 1. Then we will get B equal to 1 by 2. Now write the equation here as it is, as we have get A mg plus B O2 we get C mgO. So write the values of A, B, C. We get A equal to 1, so we write here mg into 1 equal to 1 plus B we get 1 by 2 means half O2, and we get C also equal to 1, so we will write nothing right here, as 1 into mgO we get mgO. Now we have to note one point, that mole cannot be in fraction, so we have to change it in whole number. For changing it in whole number we have to multiply whole this with 2, as its denominator is 2, so we have to multiply denominator with 2, then it will become a whole number with 1 by 2 O2 we get 2 into mgO, and also we will multiply it in the RHS. Now we will get here 2 mg plus half, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and we will get O2, and this side we will get 2 mgO. So by this formula the chemical equation also gets balanced. We can use this formula to balance any chemical equation, either big or small. In another video we will make you understand by balancing other big chemical equation which cannot be balanced by the heat and trial method. So we will meet again in new video lecture. So that's all for today.